My name is Alex, and I own Boo Boo Salon in Seattle. You know, the value of education to me is it's easy to get in a rut in our industry. It's easy to get comfortable. And it's so inspiring to work with such creative people. Like every time I take a class like this, it reminds me how much I love hairstylists. They're fantastic humans. So yeah, I mean, I think I value it because I don't know how you can be a hairstylist without it. I feel like it's crucial. It's non-negotiable. You gotta do it. Pony education is I learned so much, but it's so chill. It's so inviting. It's not intimidating at all. So you really feel comfortable getting in there and learning. And you know, I learned my razor cutting foundation at Bumble and Bumble. And I've been searching for this sort of hands-on education ever since. I haven't really been able to find it, and so I'm so glad that it exists. It's special. Some of my aha moments this weekend were, you know, just really kind of honing like the basics. Tension. You know, I've been razor cutting for about 2 years now, and it's just really amazing to watch people that have been doing it for 20. I would say that some of my biggest aha moments were sort of just like Karina's bang techniques, pinching instead of always using your comb, really using your eye to find balance versus like getting stuck, you know, feeling for it all the time. It really just kind of helped me realize how important my instincts are and that I need to follow them. You know, you can't raise your prices unless you know, learn. So